Future Star Barbershop. Log in and log out.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Barbershop Talk, and today I'm gonna be unveiling this new clipper I bought. It was a reasonable price at Diamond Girl in St. Lucia. This here is the Pro Envy Color Clipper. All right, it was a good price, 150 EC. That's roughly about, let's say, 60 US dollars. Yeah, I can say roughly about 60 to 70 US dollars. So this is the Pro Envy Color Clipper, all right? So I'm just gonna show you guys what it comes with, how it works, and what I think about the clipper. So I'm gonna give it a test run and basically give you my feedback and what I think. So the box is very nice, very colorful. You know, it's very presentable to the eyes, as you can see. Everything comes inside. So they have all the details, the blade, the batteries. So I'm gonna go about and open the box, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. So there you can see here, trimmer. Okay, so now I don't have a tripod, so I'm using my hands, my one hand to open. I didn't come prepared today, but I still want to make this video. So this is the hair trimmer. It come packaged really nice. This is the trimmer, but I thought I was going to get a green, but I guess somewhere in the box must be marked the color of the clipper. But this is the clipper. Very nice. Okay, it's not bad. Have a light weight to it. It has a light weight to it. Okay, they're adjustable. There's a clicking sound every time you adjust the blade. Okay. So this is the cover for the... So basically, what I've noticed with all these clippers that come in now, they all mirror the Super Taper. All clippers that's coming out now, I realize that they mirror the Super Taper and they give you the same fading blade as a Super Taper, as the Wahl Super Taper. Okay, so it has a decent weight to it. Okay, so there's a protective guard here to stop it from coming on. Okay, so that's it. Comes 91% charge. Decent power. Really decent. And it's cordless as well. So inside the box we have the combs. Comes with some very colorful guards from 1 all the way to, I would suggest, 8. Yeah, it comes all the way to 8. And you have the charging dock. Really light. The cable to charge. The oil the machine, the little brush that does the blade, and as you would think, the manual. All right, so most time nobody reads the manual, but I would advise you guys to read your manuals. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and test it out to see how it's working and give you guys my honest opinion. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try a taper here. So you can see it make my first base, which was not bad. Okay, so it's not bad, guys. But I can tell you from the feel of it, I can tell you that it feels like more like a home clipper. It doesn't feel like a clipper that can be used for everyday work. But it's still a clipper to have in your arsenal, just to have there to use. But you never know.
Work camera for
Yeah, so this is basically me doing the tapered, the official tapered with this clipper here. So as you can see, came out pretty decent. Got the job done. right, so that's it. Not bad, right? Yeah, man. So this is it, guys. The Pro Envy Barber Beauty Style Clipper. And this is my first unboxing and review of this clipper, so I'll give you more reviews on this clipper as time goes by to let you know how it's performing. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is Barbershop Talk, SLU. This is your boy Hey7. We out.